We take you now to Kermit the Frog with another fast-breaking news story.
Oh, yeah? Well, there's no business like snow business, huh? That's an old showbiz joke, you know. Oh, well, hi there. This is Kermit the Frog. And I'm out here in the snow investigating a report that someone has been standing out here in the snow for a long time. Yes, sir, that's right, folks. We had a call from somebody who told us that if we came out here, we'd find some strange person standing out here in the snow for a long time. And you're going to see it first here on Sesame Street News. We'll just check around now and see if we can... pardon me, sir.
Yes?
Kermit the Frog of Sesame Street News. We're investigating a report that someone has been standing out here in the snow for a long time. Are you by any chance that person?
No, Kermit the Frog. I've only been out here a short time.
Just a short time, I see.
Yeah, thank you.
Well, you're more than welcome, sir. All right, we'll just keep looking around here. And, pardon me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Kermit the Frog of Sesame Street News?
Yes, Mr. Frog.
We're investigating a report that somebody's been out here in the snow for a long time. Is that by any chance you, ma'am?
No, it's not. I've been here a short time. Excuse me.
Short time. Certainly. Okay. All right, let's see. We'll look.
Yeah, well, I got you that time.
Pardon me, little boy.
What?
Have you been out in the snow for a long time?
No, just a short time. I gotta go sledding now, though. Bye. Hey, wait for me, Fred.
Excuse me, sir. Kermit the Frog.
I
here.
gave it the office, Frog.
Yeah. Listen, don't worry, folks. We're going to stay right here on top of the story about the person standing out here in the snow for a long time. Stay tuned for further bulletins. Well, folks, if you'll remember it, at last report we'd had a phone call about someone standing out here in the snow for a long time. But so far we haven't been able to track down that outstanding in the snow person. We're exploring every avenue, however, and we hope to bring you an update on the story any minute now. Wait a second. Here comes someone who might be able to... Excuse me, young fella. Can I ask you a question?
Oh, yeah, but make it quick. I only got a short time.
Right. Thank you very much. You've been a big help.
Huh?
Let's see now. Oh, excuse me, ma'am. Pardon me, ma'am. I'm Kermit the Frog of Sesame Street News, and we've had a report about someone standing out in the snow for a long time. Are you by any chance that person?
Are you kidding, Frog? Stand out here in the snow for a long time?
Mm-hmm.
Ridiculous. It's cold out here. Who'd want to do a thing like that? Boy.
Yeah. Right. Thank you, ma'am. Well, let's see. Sure there's someone else coming along any minute. Oh, little girl. Excuse me, little girl.
I'm sorry. My mother's been waiting for me. I don't have time.
Well, stay with us, folks. Things could break any minute now, but right now, back to our regular program. Well, folks, so far we haven't nothing further to report on our snow story, but we haven't managed to find anyone standing out here for a long time. But however, we are going to pursue every lead. Excuse me, sir. Pardon me, sir. We had a call about someone standing out here in the snow for a long time. I wonder if you could help us find out just what the story is.
Yeah, I think I can help you.
You can? Oh, folks, this may be the break we've been waiting for. Okay, sir, if you'll just tell us who you are.
Well, I'm the one who made the call.
You're the person who called and told us about the person standing out in the snow for a long time?
Yeah, sure am.
Then you know who it is that's been standing out in the snow for a long time?
I sure do.
Who?
You! Ah! I called, and the frog was waiting for lunch. He fell for it.
Folks, this is Kermit the Frog, returning you to your regular programming. I'm gonna get you out of these levers!